Hey, I'm Derek, co-founder of Yuki Homes. Let's do a quick walkthrough of how our process works. We take a flat fee, half up front and half at closing or 12 months, whichever comes first. Each engagement covers one home finding process. Once you sign on, we open a WhatsApp group with me, my partner Nick, and one of our partner licensed agents. We talk you through your goals, budget, and target regions. From there, I share properties with you and our Nippon Homes tracking tool, and you'll be giving us feedback along the way. When you find a property you want to see, we'll get a tour scheduled with our licensed agent. They'll handle viewings, record walkthroughs, and handle seller side communications. Fly to Japan if you want to see it in person, we can coordinate. When you're ready to move on a property, our agent will put an offer in. 2 things to know about Japanese offers. If the seller accepts, it's not legally binding until contract date, but it is socially binding. Backing out without good reason can damage our agents' working relationships, so only offer on homes you're confident about. Second is inspections are not a negotiation tool here. Our agent can attach an inspection contingency to an offer, but if something turns out bad, you can walk. You cannot renegotiate the price. If everything looks good, our agent, who is bilingual, will walk you through the contract and the explanation of important matters. You'll sign, put down 10%, and our licensed judicial scrivener handles the title transfer. About 60 days later, you'll close. Most clients sign up for our post-purchase services after they buy. Utilities and tax management, monthly or bi-monthly property check-ins, and full STR support if you want to Airbnb your home. Different engagements, separate pricing, and I'm happy to walk you through all of it. FAQ is below the video. If you're ready, scroll down, hit the Stripe link, and let's get started.